For the absolute best in residential and commercial furnace repair, turn to DeMarco & Associates LLC, the name customers have trusted for years. Our team of technicians has the training and expertise to provide top-notch furnace repair services, and we'll have your system working great again in no time. When it gets cold outside, you can count on us to keep you comfortable inside. Call today, DeMarco & Associates LLC, 888-995-7694.